this one is hot. It's hot already. Not super hot, but it's hot already. I can hear the sound. Can you hear the sound? And the faucet already have hot water. Okay, now I can feel the water is hot. Tilt to the left. Okay. Yeah, this one, if you turn to the left, it will be hot. If you turn it back, in the middle, maybe hot and cold mix, and then turn to the right, it's saying off here, towards the cold side. So I would say probably this is a correct, the correct installation. However, the guy is saying if it's not correct, he would love to find some time later to change it. But now I can feel the hot water when I turn this way. All the way hot. I can feel the hot water now. So, let's discuss it over.